Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Hopefully you all are good, you all are studying at home. So today we are doing another activity. In the previous video we calculate the square of two-digit number, but now we are going to calculate the square of three-digit number. Hopefully you enjoyed the previous video, and I hope, or I can promise you, day by day or hopefully every day we will provide you an interesting video for the mathematics topic. So let us start the square of three-digit number. In the previous video we discussed the square of two-digit number. So we will use that trick here also, because we need to square of two-digit number here also. Okay, so let us start with an example. First of all, we'll discuss a small number which is near to 100. So I'll calculate the square of 123. You can calculate any square of any three-digit number, no doubt we can calculate the largest three-digit number, that is 999. Okay, so in the last we will calculate the square of the largest three-digit number by the two ways, by the two tricks. So watch this video up to the end. So let us start with the number 123. So 123 का square find out करने के लिए we have to check which number, which zero digit number is nearer to 123. So we can see the 100 is nearer to 123 and only difference is 23. So what we'll do, we will add 23 in 123 and multiply it to 100. So here we get 146. Again, we will divide this product by the number of zeros which we write here. We provide the 20 here, so we will write the 20 here. Again, in the right part, we will do the square of 23. You can do that by the trick, or you can remember it also. So in the previous video we discussed the square of two-digit number. So by that way we calculate the square of 23, that is 529. Now it's time to solve it completely. The first step is over here. Do for the second step. 20 cancel out. 1 into 146, that is 146, and in the right just write 529. Here we use a 20 number, that is 100. So we will pick these two digits. If we use 10 digit, so we will use this single digit, but here we are using the 20, so we'll use the two digits. Okay, so right here 29. 5 will go to here as a carry. 6 plus 5, that is 11. 1 carry here. 4 plus 1, 5, and 1 is it is. So here we get the square of 123. In the same way, you can get the square of any number. This is the smallest, or you not smallest, as we can say that it's a small number nearer to 100. But now we'll try for another number, or a middle number, middle three-digit number. Okay. So let us start for another number. The another number I'm going to pick is 625. As you know that 625 is a square of 25. Okay, so we will use it here also. Okay, that's why I'm using this. So to calculate the square of 625, what will we do? We will do the same way. 625 is nearer to 600, so we write 600 here, and we'll add this difference 25 in this number, so we get 650, that is 650, and in the denominator we'll write the 20, as we use the 20 number here, so we'll write the 20 number here, that is 100. We'll divide this product by 100, and in the right, what will we write? We write the square of this 25, that is 625. Okay, I hope so you are going to like it. Okay, it's too much interesting. Now the second step is going on. Cancel these two zeros with these two zeros. Multiply 6 by 650. We get 3900, and write 625 in the right. In the same way as we did in the previous example, we use the two zeros. So we will pick the two digits here. 6 will go carry on as here. We will write 6 plus 0, 6, and 390 will be written as it is. So we get the square of 625. This is the right answer. This is our required answer. So now it's time to calculate the square of the largest three-digit number. As you know, the largest three number is 999. We will calculate the square of this number, this largest three-digit number, by the two way. One trick we are using here, we are using previously as to calculate the square of 123 and 625. So let us start with the first trick here. Okay, here we are using the first trick, and also I'll discuss the second trick also. Clear? So let us start for the first trick. In the first trick, we will do as previously we have done. 999 means 999 is near about to 900. We'll write the 20 with 9. And what's the difference? The difference is only 99. So add 99 into 999. We get 1098. 9 plus 9, 8. 18. 1 carry here. 9, 9, 18 plus 1, 19. So 1 carry here. 9 plus 1, 10. And divide this multiplication by, as we are using the 20, so we will divide it by the 100. Okay, and in the right, what will we do? We will write the square of this difference, that is 99. Previously, in the previous video, we discussed the square of 2-digit number. By the same way, you calculate here. So I get it, the square of 99, that is 9801. I have written it in the right portion. Okay, now it's time to calculate for the second step. 20 cancel out and multiply 9 to 1098. We get 9882 and write this square of 99, that is 9801. As we have done previously, in the same way, we used the 20 here. So we will pick the 2 digits here. That is 01, and 98 will be the carry here. We will write 98 and we'll add them. 8 plus 2, 0, 8, 9. 17 plus 1, 18. 1 carry here. 8 plus 1, 9. And 9 is as it is. So in the same way, we get the square of 999, that is 9,98,001. So we have got the square of 999 by the first trick. Now it's a time for the second trick. I told you that we will use the 0-digit numbers nearer to the given number for which we are going to calculate the square. So we can say that 999 is nearer to 1000 as compared to 900. So I just write here 1000. Okay. You can see that 999 is just less than, one less from 1000. So we'll write here -1. Okay. And write here the difference. In the first trick, we add the difference. Here we are subtracting 1. Okay, as 999 is only 1 less than 1000. So we just write 998 and we'll divide here. We'll divide the 30 digit, as we are using this 1000 here. So we have to divide it by 1000. Also, what we subtract from 999? We subtract just 1. So we'll write the square of 1. That is 1. Now 30 cancel out 30. We'll just write the product of this 1 into 998. So I just write 998. You can see we are using the 3 zeros here. So we have to use the 3 digit here. But we have only a single digit 1. So we'll complete them by placing zeros. Okay. Now arrange this. We get. So by the second trick, this is our second trick. By the second trick, we also calculate the square of 999. You can see the answer is same. Answer will remain same. Okay, students, hopefully you also enjoyed the square of 3-digit number by this video. You will like and wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.